Hi friends, welcome back to my channel where I bring you the latest in beauty tips and tricks. Today I have an exciting topic to discuss, anti-aging hair products. In this video, we will explore the best products available on the market that can help you maintain youthful and vibrant hair. So let's get started. As we age, our hair goes through several changes, including thinning, loss of volume, and graying. But fret not because the beauty industry has come up with innovative solutions to combat these signs of aging. Anti aging hair products are specially formulated to address those concerns and help us maintain healthy and beautiful hair. So let's dive into some of the best options out there. Up first, we have this Kevin Murphy Young Again Hair Strengthening Hair Oil. I first discovered this Kevin Murphy hair product when I went to Namie's beauty store in Hollywood. Namie's is a beauty supply store where most Hollywood hair and professional makeup artists shop for those professional grade styling products. Kevin Murphy products are readily available to purchase in different locations in Los Angeles, but I've never seen them here in New York where I'm based or when I live in Florida. But luckily, I was able to find the Kevin Murphy line on Amazon. And specifically, out of all the Kevin Murphy products that I've tried, the Young Again hair oil has truly transformed my hair. It has completely sealed and healed my split ends. Because it has sealed the cuticle of my hair is now growing in thicker, stronger, and truly young again looking. This product is weightless and nutrient rich, and it helps your hair to regain elasticity, and it infuses your hair with an incredible, healthy, and young looking shine. It intensely conditions your hair, and this product is also paraben free, so that's another great thing that I love about this product. This treatment oil is infused with Immortel, is infused with ingredients to counteract the oxidation and aging process. Straightening irons, blow dryers, and dyeing your hair starts the oxidation process, which damages your hair's structure and acts like a rust to decay the surface of your hair. But with Kevin Murphy Young Again, it's an anti-aging treatment oil for the treatment of dry, damaged hair. And it truly does leave your hair looking more youthful and anti-aged. It also does have heat protection, and it will definitely leave your hair looking and feeling softer and never oily at all. It doesn't weigh your hair down, it just hydrates, and this is such an incredible product. I could not wait to come and share it with you. Another great thing is this also helps your color to last longer, and it never leaves your hair feeling stick or oily or greasy. You just are left with naturally soft and smooth hair. And you don't need to use heat styling products to activate this. You can use it on wet hair and let it air dry in addition to blow drying, but you can also air dry and your hair will come out absolutely stunning. Moving on to our next product, I have here the Color Wow Carb Cocktail. This product will transform thin hair into thick hair, and it also does offer heat protection. It makes your hair look so much more fuller, and it truly does transform fine, thin hair into thicker, fuller looking hair with just one blow dry. With its heat protection, it protects your hair from damage, also helps to prevent your color from fading and breakage. This product is also weightless, and it's a carb-based complex that fattens each strand for fuller and denser looking hair with major body. It is though activated by the heat from your blow dryer, but again, it's weightless on your hair, so your hair never feels sticky or weighed down whatsoever. This product simply acts to make each strand feel truly thicker, fuller, smooth, shiny, and healthier looking. This product also does help prevent breakage and dehydration of your hair. So your hair will wind up looking visibly healthier, smoother, shinier, and thicker and younger with this product. It instantly adds mass and body for thicker, fuller hair. This product will leave you with 50% stronger hair with just one use. Plus, again, it hydrates and leaves your hair feeling so silky to the touch. So your hair actually feels softer with this product with a beautiful sheen to it. It'll make your hair feel smooth and like silk. It took my hair to another level, and that's why I couldn't wait to come and share this with you today. My hair is now so much smoother and so much thicker after using this. You definitely feel like your hair looks 10, at least 10 years younger with this product. Another concern about aging hair is that it becomes dry and frizzy. With a product like this product here, Color Wow Dream Coat, this product will help to keep your hair frizz-free and shiny no matter what the weather. And I can attest to that it truly does. This product leaves your hair so much shinier and smoother and frizz-free. It's an award-winning anti-frizz spray, and it's actually the #1 bestseller on Amazon in the hairsprays department. This is a heat activated product though, so the heat from your blow dryer will activate the ingredients in this breakthrough anti-humidity treatment. So it will help to block out moisture and frizz, leaving your hair looking super glossy and ultra smooth. This is a product you want to apply liberally all over your clean, out dried hair and evenly distribute it throughout your hair. And then you do have to blow dry it to activate the ingredients. There are 3 different versions of this product. There is the OG Dream Coat version, and then there is the extra powerful Dream Coat, and then there is also the One Step to Frizz Free Curls product from this line. What I love about these products is that there is no crunch to your hair, no greasiness. Your hair just feels naturally, effortlessly, frizz-free, and smooth. You also don't have to use this product every time you shampoo. You can use it every 3 to 4 shampoos, and the effects will last between each of those shampoos. So you don't have to use it every time you shampoo, which is really great. And in between washes, it will just help your hair to stay frizz-free, glossy, and more silky looking, in addition to feeling softer when you use this product. It also does leave your hair with a beautiful shine. Next, we have the Rogaine treatment for hair growth. Many people love this product, and my husband has been using it for years, and his hair has stayed intact when it was falling out. He was pretty much going bald in the back of his head, and baldness does run in his family. So he was wanting to hold back the balding process, and so he started using this Rogaine foam here, and his hair has definitely stayed intact. It has not fallen out more, and it has also grown back in many areas. This product features technology that helps restore thinning hair, and it helps to create a healthy hair growth environment. This is the #1 dermatologist recommended hair regrowth brand, and it's said to improve hair regrowth up to 4 times in 16 weeks, and they have been in business for 35 years. And with this product, my husband has never experienced scalp dryness or irritation, and he does have very sensitive skin. There is a men and a woman's formula, and it's clinically proven to regrow more hair in only 4 weeks. Rogaine is said to penetrate the scalp to reactivate shrunken hair follicles, allowing for the regrowth of hair. This product works to boost the hair follicle activity and hair protein production. It also contains botanical extracts to help maintain a healthy, conditioned scalp. It also helps promote natural exfoliation of the scalp area to keep the hair follicles open. And my husband loves the foam version, which is a no mess foam that's easy to use and designed to easily fit into your routine. This product is considered generally safe, but some have experienced adverse side effects from Rogaine. So if you are worried about a product that may cause side effects such as headache, skin rash, swelling, even dizziness, then I definitely would not recommend this product. But my husband has never had any of these side effects, and he absolutely loves this product. He's been using it for over 10 years. I know that on Amazon, so many people also love this product. They have amazing reviews. So if you want to give this product a try, just be aware though that if you do experience any unwanted side effects, definitely stop using it and consult your physician.
You guys, I cannot gatekeep this product. This is absolutely phenomenal at truly transforming your hair. If you have dry, brittle hair or color treated or severely damaged hair, this is actually a true game changer. It is the Hair Ritual by Sicily Regenerating Hair Mask. It nourishes your hair and your scalp. It's infused with shea, macadamia, camilla, and hazelnut oils to intensely nourish each and every hair fiber. So your hair feels so much younger, thicker, smoother, shiny after using this product. And it is a bit pricey, but a little bit goes a long way. So, like you had seen earlier, the sample that I got at least 4 uses out of it. And I like to put it in. I do leave it in overnight, and it truly will transform your hair.
Finally, more important than any of these products that I've shown you today is to try and target the underlying cause of any hair loss or dehydration of your hair. In some cases, your hair loss may be caused by a treatable condition like a thyroid or a hormone imbalance. Your doctor can help you figure out if your hair loss is genetic or if there is another cause. I know my own hair started falling out when I had an iron deficiency. Through my doctor doing blood work though, and discovering this, I started to eat more iron rich foods and my hair did grow back so much thicker. I truly couldn't believe it. Many times it can help to make these dietary changes. If your hair loss, dryness, and frizz is caused by a nutrient deficiency, eating an overall healthy diet may help to stimulate hair growth and shine. Focus on foods high in protein, vitamin A, iron, B vitamins, and vitamin C. I also have started drinking nettle tea, which is high in iron and it also balances your hormones. It's caffeine free and it pretty much has no taste, but it's super effective and has been so helpful to me. And there you have it. My top recommendations for anti-aging hair products. Remember, taking care of your hair is just as important as taking care of your skin. So invest in these products and incorporate them into your hair care routine for healthier, more youthful looking hair. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and tricks. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below in the comments. Until next time, take care and stay beautiful.